Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, me and my friend Grishma will explain how to install Vlan basic configuration with CLI in Cisco Packet Tracer. Firstly, we have to know what is the meaning of the Vlan. A VLAN is a group of devices on one or more LANs that are configured to communicate as if they were attached to the same wire when in fact they are located on the number of different LAN segments. First, before knowing how to do the VLAN configuration steps, we have to know the basic VLAN configuration steps and assignment ports to the VLANs and verifying VLAN configuration. To explain this all in practicality, I will explain this in my Cisco Packet Tracer app. So let's open our Cisco Packet Tracer app. So our Cisco Packet Tracer app has been opened. So first we will take 4 PCs and place this as shown. Next we will take one switchboard which is 2960, and next I will take one router which is 2811. You can adjust the PC wherever you want, and next we will connect this all the PCs to the switch by using the fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 0/1. Similarly, make the connections of all the PCs by using fast Ethernet. So our all the PCs are connected to the switch. Next we have to connect the switch to the router, same as the copper straight through, by fast Ethernet 0/0. Here we will have to next we have to mark the IP address for each of the PC. Select a PC, go to the desktop IP configuration and type the PC. 192.168.1.10. I will copy this for my further reference. Control C, and next enter this IP address. You will get the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. Similarly, mark the IP address for the every PC as shown below. For this, I will mark this as 20 because this is the second PC. This both VLANs, this both PCs comes under one VLAN, and this both PCs comes under one VLAN. I will mark this both PC as VLAN 10 and these both PCs as VLAN 20. So we have mentioned all the PC address. So you can clearly see here what is the PC IP address for every PC. So this is 1.20, this is 1.10, this is 2.10, and this is 2.20. Next we have to connect this with the message. Let me see is the message is passing through one PC to another PC properly or not. I will pass the message. So in process it is failed. So I will connect this message to this. So this is successful because this both PCs comes under the one IP address. And successful. Next we will command the switching by using clf commands. So type enter and type enable. Next you have to type as config terminal. Next you have to mention the VLANs, which PC comes under which VLAN, like that. For that I am taking the VLAN 10 as the name HR. You can take as your wish, but here I am taking my wish, so I am taking as name HR. So for VLAN, so sorry, VLAN 20, I will mark the name as 80. After marking the VLANs, you have to mention the interface. Next, type switch port mode access. As we are connecting these PCs to the switches, we have to mention the command as switch port mode access. If you are connecting switches to any router, we have to mention switch port mode trunk, which is also going to apply. Next, you have to type switch port access VLAN, because interface 0/1 comes under VLAN 10. VLAN space 10, sorry. Next, after this, I will mark the interface 0/2. Next, I will mark switchback mode access, switch port access VLAN V10. VLAN 10. Next, we will take VLAN F3, switch port mode access and switch port access. Here we have to mark VLAN 20, because the below two PCs comes under VLAN 20. So the both below PCs are marked as VLAN 20, which is also involves int FA 0/4, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN as 20. After we have did all the PCs connected to the switches, but we have to do the switch which have to connect it to the router. For that we have to take int FA 0/5 and connect this with switch port mode trunk. As I have already mentioned, when we are connecting a switch to the router, we have to mention the command called switch port mode trunk. So you can clearly see that which the VLAN 10 and 20 are comes under 0/1 and VLAN 20 comes under 0/3, 0/4. Next we will check whether the messages are check whether the packets are going properly or not. So I will open any PC and go to the command prompt and ping one IP address, ping 192.168.2.20. Request time dot, request time dot, request time dot, and request time dot. Here they sent 4 packets and received 0. So the loss is 4 packets, 100% loss. To make this proper, we have to include the router commands. Open the router CLI and enter no. Enter again plus enter enable config T. After entering config T, you have to enter int fa 0/0 because the router which is connected to the switch is fast Ethernet 0/0. Next, enter no shutdown. Next, enter int fa 0/0.10. Next, enter encapsulation dot 1q 10 because we are encapsulating VLAN 10. Next, enter the IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. Next, the first IP address for the VLAN 10 has been assigned. Next, we have to do interface for the VLAN 20. Interface 0/0.20. Next, encapsulate the VLAN 20 by encapsulation dot 1q 20. Next, add the IP address and simply you have to change in the place of 1.1 2.2 because it is comes under the VLAN 20. So let's now check whether the packets are going securely or not. So first I will ping 192.168.1.20. We are sending packets from this PC to this PC. Let's check whether the packets are going securely or not. Yes, we are getting a reply from this from this PC. So the 4 packets are sent and received 4 packets. So there is no loss. If we try same with this PC to this PC, it will may occur error and the packets will not receive. Let's check this again. 192.168.2.10. There will be the request timeout because these both PCs comes under the same VLAN and these both PCs comes under the same VLAN. Here these both PCs comes under the VLAN 10 which is named as HR and these both PCs are comes under the VLAN 20 which is named as IT. So see, we can clearly see that the request is timed out. The packet sent is 4, received is 0, lost is 4. Similarly, we will try same with the other PCs also. Let us try with this PC. I will ping 192.168 point. Let us try with 2.2 which we have get error. See, the replies have been getting from this PC to this PC, and if you try to make connection with this PC to this PC, it will show the error. 192.168.1.20. So the request time is out. So you can clearly see the request time is out. The packet sent is 4 and received as 0, lost is 4 and 100% lost. So in this way you can do the Cisco packet VLAN configuration. If we send the message from this PC to this PC to this PC, it will show successful, and if we send message from this PC to this PC, it will show failure, in process failure. So hope you like my video and my explanation. If any doubts, you can DM me from my email, which is varungumanuru@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.